This is the Protado 3-pack LED airplane launcher toy. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instructions. They give you a whole bunch of stickers here. So you can see those for a moment. So you can decorate that any way you'd like. We're going to leave that for another time. You get 3 planes, red, yellow, and blue. You can, of course, mix and match if you want a red wing on the yellow one and tailpiece blue or so. You can mix and match if you want. I just kept them like that. They have lights on them. Little switch right there. You turn it on. They got all different colors there, and red and blue in the front, which is kind of nice. So we'll turn all of them on. So you see like that. Pretty nice. Let me shut the lights out. That's really cool for night flight. As for the gun, over here, and I'll talk more about the planes and how to assemble them in a minute. The gun is right here, the launcher. Okay, there's your trigger, obviously. You cock the gun first, so you slide this back. Now, this toy is meant for like 4 to 12-year-olds. I did find that this spring is pretty tight, so the little ones might have some trouble trying to get it all the way. It clicks in and then snaps back to there. And then once you do that, there's a track on top. Plane itself slides in like that, and then you press the trigger to launch. Obviously, I'm not doing that in the house, but so it's pretty powerful. So with that, let's talk more about the planes. We'll shut the lights off so we save batteries and it's not so busy. You do have to assemble them because they're not sending you planes in the box. This is all made out of styrofoam, so it won't hurt anybody, which is really nice. You slide them in. It is a very tight fit, so you're going to have to wiggle and try very hard, and of course you don't want to break it as you do that. I did not break anything in doing so, but it is a tight fit. Once they're together, they're together. You also have gyrant mode and gliding mode by the tailpiece here. Let me see if I can get that out. The tailpiece is a lot easier, and it is printed on here what it is right over here, and then you flip it to the other side and put it back in, and then it's in gyrant mode. Gyrant mode is going to make like a loop-de-doo or something like that, whereas the gliding mode is just a glider. With that, I think we're pretty much all set here. This will launch these planes up to 50 feet, which is pretty nice, and of course you can angle that up to get a trajectory type thing going on. All looks pretty nice, so let's go give it a shot out in the backyard. Okay, I have it in glider mode. So there's the plane. I'm going to do it kind of low because I really don't want it to go under the fence, and kind of aim it a little down. Wow, that really moved. Let's try the blue one now. Nice. All right, so you're going to get varied flights each time. Let's flip that over to the gyration mode and try it again. Makes a cool sound. It definitely went up. I'm just too afraid to lose these over the fence. Well, that was a water landing. And one more. Alright, again, you get different flights each time. All around pretty cool. This was, once again, the Protado 3-pack of LED airplane launcher toy. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.